well, it's off season from the regular drift car, so time for the little drift car, right? So I have this MST RMX 2.0 that I've been running for a while. I'm going to be putting a Bingo Wasp flex chassis on it. Have some Yokomo rod ends to fix some of the steering geometry here, and some new shocks for it. So I'm gonna start tearing this thing down and swapping everything over to the new chassis. Alright, here we go. Got the front end on and assembled. Everything looks pretty good. Taking the old one apart here. Have to take the transmission and motor and stuff off. A couple screws off the bottom here, and I'll take it all off in one unit and put it on the back here. Here we go. Got the chassis all put together here. It went together super easy. So it looks really nice. Put it all stainless steel hardware here on it, and yeah, gotta charge up a battery, and we'll take it for a test run. After we test run it, we'll apologize for my mess here, but after I run a battery pack through it or so, we'll build up the shocks and put those on there too. Here we go. Got some TR60 aluminum shocks. Gonna crack them open and take a look. We'll get these guys built. I have some shock oil on the way, and then we'll install them on our RMX over here. All right, here we go. We got everything all together on here. Got the shocks on, and yeah, everything's good. It's got like a nice little bit of bounce back and forth as it moves around, and we'll pop the body on. We'll do a little driving. We're digging deep into the Hot Wheels collection here for some giveaways for our Black Friday sale. Yeah, got some cool stuff. These are all ones out of my personal collection, so figure instead of giving away some kind of random ones, let's hook everybody up with some cool stuff.